Today is Friday, May 16th, and today I learned something kind of from myself. I was talking to my brother, and this kind of just popped into my brain, and I thought it'd be something helpful because it was helpful to him. People become boring when they stop being a kid. People become boring when they stop being a kid, and I think it's okay to do kid things, right? It's okay to play video games. It's okay to play board games with your family. It's okay to hang out with your siblings. All of those things are perfectly fine to do, and if anything, I need to have more of a childlike kind of nature, right, in my day, just like going outside more, right, not being addicted to your screen, and also just like looking at things with like more lightly, like not always taking everything so seriously, getting having distance and having like work-life balance kind of thing, or maybe for you it's like school life balance or something like that, like having separation between the different things that you do, having that exclusivity so that you can just be focused on what you are doing, right? Just do what you were doing, work hard, play hard kind of thing. It's okay to do those kinds of things, because I think I'm personally not there yet because I'm only 16 but I think for people, like when you get to like post 18 years old, I can definitely imagine myself, and also I've heard from my siblings, like you feel like you need to make the most of your 20s, or like get your life together, be an adult or whatever. But yes, you should be an adult, and I'm not saying that you should stay immature, right? There's a difference between maturity and just like your mindset about things, right? There's a difference between maturity and mindset. So obviously mature, grow up, don't just be a child all the time. Don't be rude, don't be unnecessary, right? Don't be incompetent. Still like do the things right, still do the things right. But I think it's important, if you are one of those, like if you are now, like I'm saying this with complete like naivete. I honestly don't know what the word, like I'm naive in this situation because I'm not 20, right? I'm 16, so I don't really know what it's like. But I can imagine like post 18 you're like, oh, I need to be an adult, and like yes, you need to be mature, and you will have more responsibilities and all that kind of thing, but that doesn't mean that you can't still like be a kid and like hang out outside, play video games, hang out with siblings, hang out with friends. You don't need to become this whole changed person that's always serious about everything, right? I guess that your takeaway is to just work hard, play hard, right? Do the right things right, but know when it's time to play, know when it's time to switch to a different mindset, right? Switch gears depending on what you're doing, and try your best. Leave it all out in whatever you're doing. So that's just a small thing that I kind of learned from myself today. If you like this video, then have a love, like, or a comment. If you want to see more, then definitely subscribe. This is a video I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I'll see you in tomorrow's video.